Hello and Merry Christmas everyone, but right now Bitcoin has seen a significant breakdown of this pattern like we yesterday have been expecting due to the fact that liquidity was piling up on the lower side and the top side. So on today's video I will exactly talk about what I think is going to be happening next to Bitcoin. I will talk about a $1,000 giveaway I'm currently doing that you could be claiming yourself, and many more important charts that we need to discuss on today's update video. So don't forget to slap up that like button, back about 600 likes, and with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term on the Bitcoin price action. So currently Bitcoin has finally broken out of that consolidation phase. It was towards the downside, but on yesterday's video I exactly talked about that we were creating, of course, significant amount of liquidity on the lower side, and due to that I was expecting that first we were going to grab the liquidity on the lower side and then move towards the upside. So I said also in my video yesterday that I think Bitcoin is going to come down before it is eventually going to come up again. And currently, what have we seen? We have exactly seen Bitcoin breaking down here, reaching a target of 42.6k. After that, we are straight away bouncing back towards the upside, and actually on the chart we are once again back in towards the region already even. I mean, right now on the 1 hour time frame you could potentially argue, okay, we have not broken this very important level right here, what I will in this case make this red dotted line here. I mean, honestly, if we break above this level, then we will really break in towards the range once again here. But to be very honest, I still think, due to the fact that the majority of the liquidity is currently piling up on the top side, that we are going to be seeing a short squeeze around that 44.7k level. And especially due to the fact that, of course, BlackRock literally announced that they are seeding their Bitcoin spot ETF on the 3rd of January, and they are going to be buying $10 million worth of Bitcoin from the market. I know this isn't a lot, and what it does mean is that they're preparing to go live on the market, and that is going to be the real catalyst that's going to be sending Bitcoin higher. But to be very honest, the seed creation is already going to be adding some buy pressure and giving us the confirmation that the Bitcoin BlackRock spot ETF is just gonna come, and that is going to be pushing prices higher as we're going to be approaching the 10th of January, that final day where the deadline is going to be hitting the market for the Bitcoin spot ETF. So that really makes me super bullish on the market. I mean, as well, we're currently doing an insane $1,000 giveaway on my Twitter page. Just go to @rovercrc or just search on CryptoRover on Twitter and go to my page and look for the street. I posted it on 9 a.m. Central European time. You can check it out. The only things you need to do is like, retweet, follow these accounts, and you could be getting a free $1,000. So this is a super valuable free $1,000 you could just earn. Further on, we can currently see on the Bitcoin 4-hourly time frame that we're still exactly holding on towards our support target. And just like I said earlier in the video, I don't really think that this is the time to be super bearish on Bitcoin, because I do still believe we could still see further pushes towards the upside, because this has literally been my expectation. We push out that liquidity on the lower side and then we bounce back towards the upside. And literally, due to the fact that we're currently just days out before the Bitcoin spot ETF is going to get accepted, because the chance it's going to get accepted is literally 99%, and chances are increasing every single day we're going to come closer. So it is just likely it's going to be getting accepted, and this is going to generate another big push towards the upside, because just like I mentioned previously on my Twitter, once the Bitcoin BlackRock spot ETF gets accepted, it's going to just take probably days, within like 2 or 3 days before it's actually going to be live trading on the market. And that is just going to generate so much buying pressure on the market that you're not expecting what is going to be happening next for Bitcoin. So if you want to be trading Bitcoin on what is the next move here, or on these massive moves towards the downside that I've been predicting as well, or the breakdown of this massive pattern right here, if you want to be trading it, make sure to go to BYBIT, because BYBIT is an exchange where you could trade, and if you're right now signing up account using the link below, you could claim a deposit bonus up to $40,000. And without this link, if you directly go to the website, it's only $400. And on top of that, if you sign up using the link below, you could claim a free $1,000 position. It's currently only 74% that's remaining, but all you need to do here is sign up again using that link below, complete KYC, deposit $100 in your first 7 days, and you could be claiming a free $1,000 trade position. It's super valuable for such a small deposit, so make sure to check it out in the link description of today's video. And if you can't trade on BYBIT, check out Fimex in the link description of today's video as well. So going further in towards the content, I don't believe that there is a reason to be getting fooled or a reason to be panicking for the Bitcoin price action that it is potentially breaking down or whatsoever, as long as we're trading in this ascending triangle. I mean, right now, still Bitcoin is providing super support from off this level. It's actually bounced exactly from off that support target of the ascending triangle. And I mean, once we break below support, that is potentially a point in the market where I would say right now we should start to get worried. But as long as that is not happening, I don't see a reason at all to be starting to be panicking on the Bitcoin price action. We are expecting a big breakout is going to be happening in the coming 6 days, and it does really make sense in terms of the time horizon with the Bitcoin spot ETF. And yeah, once we really break the top side of resistance, that is the point where I really think Bitcoin is going to head towards 46 to 48,000 US dollars. That is my price target in my opinion. Further, we can currently see that Bitcoin is struggling against that 43,000 US dollars, exactly the level that I've been predicting is going to be providing resistance for Bitcoin. And of course, on the bigger perspective, I mean, while we could be pushing back towards the upside, I still think that the majority of the weekly resistance is literally laying around 46.7k. I think if we were to be creating a local top for Bitcoin, what I think is extremely likely that it could be happening somewhere around this region where we're currently trading in, and also somewhere around the dates we're currently trading in, so I think we're very close. But where it would be happening is, in my opinion, most likely around the 46 to 47,000 US dollar level. Why? It's because that is just that massive weekly resistance from the past, and it makes sense that that is going to be a level where Bitcoin is going to be seeing massive struggles of breaking through of. And of course, if we potentially break through this level, then I won't be necessarily expecting a big rejection at all. I mean, then we could potentially get a rejection from off this next level, sitting around 51,000 US dollars, but that is of course already a significant amount higher than the previous level I discussed. So these are two levels I'm currently aiming at. These are two levels that's probably going to be providing some resistance for Bitcoin, but these are also two very important levels that you should be paying attention towards. So this was it for me in today's update video. I truly hope you did enjoy it. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family here on Christmas, because if you want to be learning anything about where Bitcoin is heading towards right now, you need to subscribe to the channel right now. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.